Be honest, have you ever tried a diet so complicated that by day 3 you were negotiating with your fridge at 3 a.m.? Today we fix this, not with TikTok motivation or muscle coaches in tight shirts, but with something that actually works. A diet so practical, even your ex who quit gym after Zumba could follow it. Block 1, the laziness-proof diet. The problem isn't discipline, it's that your diet needs more prep than Christmas dinner. What you need is food as easy to grab as a snack from the shelf. Because in the end, if it's easy, you'll do it. If it's hard, you'll bail and end up at the bakery. Block 2, simplicity. You don't need to be the Jamie Oliver of muscle, you just need 2 or 3 go-to meals. That's it. Examples: breakfast, smoothie or oats with whey. Lunch, chicken with rice or tuna with pasta. Snack, yogurt with fruit or whey with rice cakes. Repetition isn't failure, it's strategy. Your muscles aren't picky eaters, they want bricks. And the bricks, guess what, are made of protein. Block 3, tools that save gains and sanity. Let's talk elite equipment. No, not an air fryer. I mean serious stuff. Top 2 muscle building tools: blender, smoothies, shakes, creamy. Rice cooker, rice, oats, steamed veggies. If you don't own a rice cooker, I'm sorry, but you're playing this game on hard mode. Block 4, the foundation protein. Your body is like a construction site. No protein, no cement. And without cement, you get chaos. Step 1, calculate your daily protein goal. Example, 150 grams per day. Step 2, split that between 3 to 6 meals. Example, 4 meals, 37.5 g per meal. Don't throw it all in at once. Your body needs protein in doses, like paying gains in installments. Block 5, building your meals around what matters. Now that you've got your goal, it's time to build your blocks. Meal, protein source, amount. Meal 1, Greek yogurt, 300 grams. Meal 2, chicken breast, 160 grams. Meal 3, canned tuna, 130 grams. Meal 4, whey protein, 2 scoops. And before you ask how much rice to add, just enough so you're not crawling around hungry like a kitchen scavenger. Block 6, Kairos non-gourmet meal plan. A full day might look like this. Meals. Meal 1, smoothie with Greek yogurt plus frozen fruit. Meal 2, chicken plus rice. Meal 3, tuna plus cold pasta salad. Meal 4, whey plus rice cakes before bed. Zero misery, zero crazy calorie counting, just instinct. As long as the protein hits, we're golden. Diet isn't punishment, it's a system. If it's simple, it works. If it's a chore, you'll quit. So go sort your meals, hit your protein, and meet me in the next video. And if someone asks what you're doing with a meal in your hand, tell them you're carrying the weight of your goals. Still got questions? Ask her. Liked this? Send it to that one friend who keeps skipping meals. And if you want more content like this, hit subscribe, ring the bell, and drop a like that tastes like bad chocolate whey.